Okay, this is lesson 69, comparing and ordering decimal numbers. So this one's a short one. You got to pay close attention to place value when you're doing this. So example 1 says you have 12 and 3/10 and 1 and 23/100. Okay, so I'm going to write these this way, and I'm going to line up my decimals so I have everything in the same place value. So I'm looking at my first biggest to the left, so biggest number here. I'm looking in the tenths place. So I have a 1 in the tenths place here and nothing in the tenths place here. So I don't even have to look at anything else, do I? Because I know that's a bigger number here. So remember, the little pointy end touches a smaller number. So 12 and 3/10 is bigger than 1 and 23/100. Let's do this one, and then we might practice one more. Order from least to greatest. So I'm going to write them down this way. 1.2, 1.12. Okay, and I don't know why I think vertically. You guys probably don't even have to do that. I have to do that. It just makes it easier for me. So I'm going to look at my ones place. That's the biggest place I have to the left, and they're all the same. So looking at that, I can't tell which is the smallest number. So we got to move to the right, and we're going to look at the tenths place. So I'm looking for the smallest number just in that tenths place, right? So which is smallest, 0, 2, or 1? Ah, that one. So that's going to be my smallest number, isn't it? What's the next smallest? 1, and then a 2. Okay, does that make sense? So you go place value by place value from the left to the right. Let's see, let's do 3.468 and 3.478. So I'm going to compare those two, okay? So let's look at my ones place. Same, got to keep going to the right. Let's look at my tenths place. Same, got to keep going. Ah, now I get a little bit of a difference. So I know that even though those two place values are the same, this hundredths place is different. So I know that that's actually a smaller number, right? And if I think about it, I know that 468 is smaller than 478, right? I know, let's cover up this, that, what about if I put a 0 in that empty spot? I can do that because it's at the end, right? So if I look at this, which is smaller, 2, 12, or 20? 2, this comes first, 12 comes next, and then 20 comes next. So I'm going to put a 0 on the end if I want to. So keep your place value straight and you will be just fine. Good luck.